That was full commitment. Laying on the ground felt so good right there.
All right, guys, we are out here today with
Chris.
And
Chris McNugget
is going to
skate.
So we decided, you know what? You know what's a throwback? A good old-fashioned persistence.
It's been a while.
So what trick are you gonna try?
I would like to do a frontside nose grind, flip out.
Frontside nose grind, nollie flippage.
Yeah.
How many tries will it take Chris McNugget? Leave it in the comments below.
Hopefully less than 2. But it's gonna be a battle. I haven't done one of these in like 2.5 years.
Yeah.
So we found the perfect ledge and I'm gonna try it.
It is actually the perfect ledge.
It really is. I'm gonna start with a nice 50-50, then a nice nose grind, and then do a couple nollie flips and then just combine them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's a good way. Just build it up. 50-50, get used to the ledge, see how it's grinding, see how it's feeling. Do a couple nose grinds. I'm gonna sit here with a broken foot and commentary. Wow. First try. Okay, 50-50, check.
Nose grind next.
Nollie flip, check. Wow. Okay, that was too easy.
All right, this is going pretty well. So now I gotta get like some nice nollie flips.
If you land it first try, I'll be impressed.
Okay, I'd be impressed too, to be honest.
Oh, it was so close.
So imagine I just landed that first tee. That would have been awesome. Now it's gonna take me like 50 tries.
I know, the curse of the,
Yeah.
the curse of the first try. You try it once, you get so close, and then from there on, it's like so hard. No way. The body barrel at the end?
Yep. When in doubt, body barrel out.
No cap, all facts, no printer.
Nice one, nice one.
Yeah.
We call that the nose grind back foot adjuster.
Yes.
Woo! Got some nice speed too, so if you roll away from this, it's gonna be awesome. Woo! Right there. I just gotta get really comfortable in the nose grind where I can just think about the nollie flip and that's it.
You got it.
You think so?
Yeah.
What do you think, Derek? You got it. Easy. Thanks,
You're only like 5 tries in, you ain't even trying.
That's true, that's true.
Easy money.
Nollie hard flip out. I feel like I've taken all the wax off. I'll try one more as is, but some wax would really help.
Oh boy.
I was feeling good and then it didn't work out. Look at that groove, man, that's crazy.
What is that from?
K-grinds.
Really?
Yeah.
On what ledge?
No Pomo Skate Park. You guys gotta come check it out.
That's gnarly.
It's beautiful. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Just a little bit will help. Just a little bit on the edge there. No slide tricks, so I will be staying away from here and here for now. That feels good, that feels real good. It smells pretty good too.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like that.
What does it smell like?
It smells like wax with no scent.
Yeah!
Yeah! Yeah.
You know what? I need to do a nose manual nollie flip to get that.
Yeah, you do. He's also going like Mach 50 miles an hour. Maybe he needs to slow down just ever so smidge. Actually, probably maybe he needs to speed up. You never know.
Now, if only we could do that with a nose grind.
You can.
You're right, you're right, you're right.
Same thing. Yeah. You got it, boy.
You're right. I'm getting all tingly. I'm all excited.
Is that what happens?
It's not supposed to, but it is what it is. That was full commitment. Laying on the ground felt so good right there. Also, shout out IHOP. I didn't know they were right there.
Yeah, shout out IHOP. You're like turning just ever so slightly when you come off. I think it'll help if you
Keep it straight, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Man, something's smelling good over here, and I don't think it's IHOP.
I farted.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ah, man, you know what happened there?
What?
The board half flipped, hit the ledge, and then the ledge
Flip
made
more?
it. Yeah, that's an even harder trick.
Half flip to board flip. This is how I broke my foot. Nose manny nollie flip at the end. Yes. I mean, if you body barrel out, that's cool too.
That'd be awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like losing my balance towards the end.
Yeah.
I think what I'm doing is I'm thinking about the nollie flip too much. I need to worry about just keeping a nice solid nose grind.
Just like the nose manny, just literally exact same thing.
Right.
Don't even think of it like you're on the ledge.
You're right.
Yeah.
There we go. I'm persisting.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
It's right there.
You're right, you're
Easy.
right. Motivating words right there. So that was good. I just need to flick it better.
Yeah. I think it's the same thing where if you keep the board straight and pop straight down and flick out,
It'll just
you
work
got
better.
it. Yeah, yeah.
Maybe if I stop wearing sunglasses.
I could never do this with sunglasses on. I'll tell you that.
It does change
Or
things.
anything in the pockets.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah.
I knew it was the sunglasses all along.
That was it.
Clip recap. Yeah, see, that would have been really good.
Yeah, you got it.
Smell it, it's coming.
Yeah, you got
It
it.
might be IHOP though, actually. Persistence.
There he goes. That push right there. He's got it. Yeah! Yeah!
What the heck was that? That was like a successful mistake. Mission failed successfully.
It did that same thing. Half flip
It made me catch the trick though.
to the ledge, right into your foot. That was good.
That was,
I mean, I would take it.
that was sick, dude. That's harder than what I was actually trying.
It's true. Nollie, half flip, ledge flip.
Yeah. I landed it, but
landed
I
it.
want to try a few more and get it without the ledge.
Whatever you want.
I mean, that was totally intentional, actually.
Yeah, we're out here.
Yeah. No, I'll try a few more.
You got it.
I think the same thing happened.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, but like less almost.
Yeah, we're getting there, little by little.
Just inches away.
Yeah, I think it's just the way I'm flicking it. I'm like, I don't know, I'm just flicking it too hard, I think.
Yeah.
Ah, that would have been really good if I didn't land primo.
That was really good.
Yeah, some motivation I need right there.
Yeah. You got it, you got it, we got it, let's get it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to know what's been on this ground.
No, you don't.
I don't. I'll give it a few more.
Shout out Emeryville.
Shout out Emeryville. I don't know what it is, man. I keep bumping ledge.
Pretend like you're doing it out of the middle, not the end. Because if you're out of the middle, you pop like back. Like imagine you're doing it right here and you're like,
So
right?
just,
you would still miss it. So like, you're going like a little bit like that.
I see.
And then when you flip, it's like there. But if you keep it straight, then it'll go, even if you were gonna hit it, it would be like
Sure.
there.
I don't want to do
I
that.
think you're just like going into a little bit of crooked grind mode instead of just straight nose grind.
I think it's because when I get into a nice nose grind, I get excited for like the flip out.
Yeah.
And so I don't know. So I need to just stay composed in the nice nose grind.
So don't get so excited.
Yeah, yeah.
There it is.
I think I'm trying to flip out a little too early.
Yeah.
It's that excitement thing.
Yeah. Do an ollie flip, yeah. Another one.
That's the problem. My flick is off.
Another one.
Another one?
Another one. Give me a faster flip. There we go. Now you land it.
I think you're right. I need to dial that in.
Yeah.
Give me 5 more good tries.
You got it. In my book, you already landed it twice.
Me too. I did land it twice and they were both really good. So I'm gonna give it 5 more. And if I can't get it perfect how I want it, we'll take the other really good ones that I did.
Yeah. Deal.
'Kay.
For the IHOP.
For the eye.
Oh my.
Yeah, like on one of the worst nose grinds though. It's like,
Yeah, who cares
it's
about
all,
that?
yeah, you're right. Woo!
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna be real with you guys, I got 2 more in me.
Yeah, I believe you. All
right.
you need is one.
You're right, you're right.
Breathe. Just take a deep breath. You've never tried the trick before.
Right.
Right here. First try.
First tee?
First try.
I usually have better luck first tee for some reason.
I know.
I don't know what it is. You would think that the more you like try it, the better you get at it, but
Sometimes it's not.
sometimes it don't work that way. Man,
Watch this, watch this.
I kind of gotta land it. There's like an element or like a layer of frustration when you try the same thing over and over again.
Yeah, I know.
But at the same time, it's enjoyable because it's a challenge and it's fun. And I know the landing will be so sweet. So I'll keep trying.
You got it.
Okay, okay.
Don't think about all the tries, just do one.
True.
There it is.
That would have been it.
That's the flick we're looking for.
That was a good first try.
Oh. What we should do is make a Dungeons and Dragons skateboard game. Will you roll?
Ooh! Surprised that's not a thing yet.
I know, coming soon.
Here we go. Woo! Another one.
You're allowed to give up anytime.
Are we? As human beings, we're allowed to.
No, we're not. Actually, you're never allowed to give up.
Right.
Never.
It's not giving up if I skate tomorrow, though.
It's true.
You know?
See? There's always another day.
There are periods of rest that need to be taken.
That's true as well. Go a little slower.
Am I going way too fast?
Just try. And then in the next one, we'll go a little faster.
Okay. Maybe I was going too fast the whole time. I don't know. The speed adjustment, I feel like, did help a little bit.
Yeah. Oh my God, that was it. Yes, yes, yes.
Cool.
This girl is on fire. Oh, 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 oh.
That's what I needed to hear right there.
Oh, oh, oh.
That was ridiculous.
If you land it right here, I'll make a mixtape.
All right. I gotta hear that mixtape. Oh, that EDM mixtape, okay.
I'll do all genres.
No mixtape this year, I guess.
No.
Oh, I'm so over it, but I am not, but I am.
I mean, you already landed it.
We'll give it one more try, and then
That's it? One more?
that's all it takes, man.
I believe you. It really does only take one.
Yeah, I did land two. They're just kind of funky.
You landed it.
There's nothing wrong with funk, though. Everybody
No.
needs a little funk in their life.
Sometimes it's a little better, the funk.
Yeah, T-funk. Oh, see, that was funk right there.
That
But
was.
like, it was sick.
Sick, yeah. Oh my word. See, the problem is then you get that close and you're like, well, I'm so close.
This
what am I gonna
happens
do now?
100% of the time.
Well, I'm glad to see some skaters today.
Yeah, me
Because
too.
when I've been going to the skate parks recently, no skaters.
Really?
Yeah, it's been dead out there. Saturday and Sunday both.
Wow, everybody's at home watching Olympics, man.
Yeah. If you land it right here, Jamba Juice.
Oh, that sounds so good. Leave it in the comments below if you've never been to Jamba Juice.
Have you ever been to Jamba Juice? Leave it in the comments below.
Shout out White Gummy.
Shout out Razzmatazz.
Shout out Pink Starburst as well.
Now
Last
you
try,
gotta get
last try.
No way you didn't land that. There's absolutely no way.
Oh, it's so dumb.
How could you do that to us?
How could I do that to myself? I'm trying out here, I'm trying.
Now you got it.
That's what happens when you only skate like once a week.
I love how you almost did it first try.
I know, and I knew this was gonna happen. If I would skate twice a week, I would have landed this a long time ago.
Yeah,
Consistency is key.
it's so true. It
Yeah.
helps so much.
I'm consistently skating once a week, which is nice,
Yeah.
but might need a little more time
Yeah,
on the board.
you do.
Oh, I gotta land it.
There is no way you did not land that, Chris P. Oh boy.
Kind of have to land it. Ew, that was real good.
Yeah,
I think my leg's just super tired. I'm gonna give it one more good one.
that's all you need.
You're right.
Okay, the last try.
Last
Whether
try.
you make it or don't make it,
Yeah.
we're out. We're out of here.
The problem is I already landed two. That's the.
That's why.
I know.
You got it in your head. Imagine you don't land them.
Oh yeah.
You didn't land it. How did you not land that? You would not do that. That's it, we're leaving.
One more though.
No, we're leaving.
Okay.
No more. Just
No.
kidding. You got it. You got it.
I already don't want to land this trick anymore.
You don't?
No.
Never again.
Last try.
Never want to do this trick
Never
again.
again.
It's the worst trick in the history of tricks.
It's one of them. No, just kidding. This trick's awesome. I just need to practice more.
did you not land that? There is no way. I cannot believe it.
Now I have to land it. See, I hate that.
That was the stupidest thing.
Yep.
Yeah.
Man, everybody can nose mail here. It's awesome.
That was sick. Let's go.
Such a dilemma. I want to leave, but I want to land it.
Okay, let's make it 3 more tries. We won't even do an outro. We'll just walk out.
That's so sad.
Okay.
Just leaving.
Just land it in 1 try.
Okay.
I'll do the outro now and it'll be like it never happened. Yes! Yes!
That was absolutely perfect.
That was perfect.
We all
in
know
every
it,
way.
right? Right, guys? Right?
Huge thanks to Chris McNugget for coming out here and absolutely destroying and getting his persistence. We hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. You want to do it again?
No. This is cool though because when I come back, I'm gonna be better.
Yeah.
So I get to see that progress from this
Angle.
so land.
There's nothing wrong with this, Chris.
Well, there's nothing nice about it either. No, it's cool.
A little toe drag.
It's tough. It's a hard trick. That's what I get for only skating once a week. That's my fault.
I like it.
Thank you guys.